नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट our topic of class 10, chapter 4, the making of global world. When we are talking about the word global, something related to globe. You have seen the model. It's a model of the earth. Now coming to globe. When you're talking about globe, it refers to the word globalization. Globalization means the economic system that emerged in last 50 years. How we have been connected to each other throughout the world, maybe because of many causes, maybe because of many reasons. Now coming to the reasons, travelers, traders, pilgrims, functioners, businessmen, these are some of the key players in the world we are talking about globalization. How these people are responsible for this globalization process. Travelers travel from one place to another to travel for amusement, for entertainment. Traders, the word depicts that these people are the business class. They are the businessmen who carry some important products, some items, commodities which they find at the cheap rate, at the best quality, or a product or commodity which is not available to their homeland. So they carry these material to their homeland and sell at a dearer rate to their homeland. So people of different land come to know about the commodities, the nature, the culture of the other country. Pilgrims, Tirthyatri, who go to different holy places to give their respect towards the God or devotion towards the God. One of the participants of this culture is Silk Road. The Silk Road was first heard by you in class 6. Basically, the Silk Route was the route which was used by the Arabian country people to travel and to have a business deals with China or Chinese place countries. This is a topic which is being read since pre-modern times till today. When we are traveling from one place to other, we are definitely sharing our culture, our languages, our eating habits, our cloth habits, and these things which share. Maybe these things are good, maybe these things are bad, but these are shared only because of these travelers, pilgrims, people. Similarly, how can a food be untouched by not traveling here in different places? Coming to the food travel part. The major part which we are talking about is with the shifting of new crops. As you can see, new crops were also introduced in different lands where these crops were never been used or were never been known. One of the crop we are talking about is, you can see the circle part I am put it is humble potato. Humble potato, many of you like to eat vegetable potato. How this potato is a humble potato. Now the thing was, it became a very important part of the life of poor people because this potato was the cheapest and the best food these people can eat. Now even the beggar could have a good food as in the inception of them, according to them, they could have a good food now as compared to the rich people which used to have a good diet food. But because of introduction of this potato, even these people were able to get a good food. Farmers could grow a good crop, good harvest and earn good money. On the whole, the drawback was that many of the farmers, or you can say the maximum farmers, became the grower or the harvester of potato. Now what happened? This harvesting was very good, very fruitful, advantageous only till it was not affected by the disease. This disease in mid 1840s came into being in the country or a territory called Ireland, where it destroyed the whole or the 90% of potato harvest. The people who were totally dependent on this potato crop were left unhelped, and they died due to starvation because they were totally dependent on potato. If you have a choice between one or two, if one is not there, second option is always there for you. Now, but these people who are facing already a problem with a potato disease, they have nothing to eat. What led to them? Starvation and finally death. Coming to the second part, conquest to defeat someone, disease, as you have read above, trade, business deal. Now, this traveling sometimes attract people and settle at a place. If I am a businessman and I find a place which I find suitable to live, and I know my maximum business is being done at that particular place, I would better be stay there. I am staying because I am having a business deal. Some person have some other cause to remain back to different places. We will now look at the reason for why a person is living at a place, living its hometown. The first people to arrive were the European sailors. The European sailors explored the route to the Asian countries. When you look into the map, the European people first explored the Asian countries. They found these countries to be more profitable. All the more from the west coast of America, they traveled to Asia. They reached these places. Now what they did, they exchanged precious metal, silver. The best example is India. You can see how India was made slave by the Britishers because of so many precious gold, silver. They took the peacock throne of India, and plus spices also attracted them. The benefit of these trading factors or trading commodities actually enhanced the wealth of the European powers. Now the European powers had doubled or tripled their income, which they used to have before their exploration to the Asian country.